Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on a Viper AS710R ride-on floor scrubber. Our issue with this one is that whenever the steering wheel gets moved all the way to the right, it throws a 3,2 error code on this indicator light right here. So I'll show you once I start moving it all the way to the right. As you can see, it has started flashing. 1 2 3 1 2. So most likely this is due to a stretched wiring harness, which is located under all this right here. And so we'll get into it and start taking it apart. Directly under the steering wheel on the scrubber, you can disconnect these two connections here, and on this specific instance this loom was broken on this exact part, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but this black wire is pretty smashed to the point where every time my steering wheel was all the way to the right, this wire was basically like this, causing my 3.2 error code to pop up. And whenever I went to the left, basically this would straighten out and no longer, or and then straighten out and actually make contact. So in order for me to 100% verify that the new part would fix this, I removed the red cover. It's only 4 Phillips screws, and you can see the motor control here. So the other end of the harness that goes from here to here are these 2 wires and this set of wires right here. So in order for me to test it out and make sure the new harness would 100% work, I disconnected this, installed the new wiring harness, which is, here's the part number, and I ran it along the floor and connecting it right here, and immediately all of my error codes pop up. My bad, all of my error codes popped out. So now the hard part is I have to actually install it. So see you guys then. So this is definitely a process. This is the old one. I still have it on here just so I can know how to put this back on, kind of how to route the wires, but I passed the new loom through here, and there'll be, you can still see them, can't get my hand in there, but there'll be, where am I pointing at, 2 zip ties right here, one here and one there. You'll have to cut them, and those zip tie this whole loom right here of, I guess, what, 3 bundles, 4 bundles. So you'll have to cut those 2 zip ties, get the old one out, and it's a pretty tight fit, but as you push this in right here, you basically, you're kneeling right here. So you're kneeling right here, and you have your hand, your left hand pushing this loom, and your right hand is right here. This is where I got it stuck out. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's in that left corner. So as you're pushing in with your left hand and you're feeling the loom with your right hand, you'll eventually feel it and you can just pull it right out. So next step is just addressing the loom, making it look pretty, making the connections, and we should be good to go. I'll get a video of the machine back in action.